This is going to be a short comparison video of the Tekton 1/4-inch drive and Milwaukee 1/4-inch drive socket sets. The part number for this Milwaukee set is 4822-9004, and this Tekton set here is an older set that they discontinued. The part number for this set is SKT05301, and the new set is SKT05303. The updated set, they did change a little bit. Instead of being 4 to 14 millimeter, the new set goes from 4 to 15 millimeter. Other than that, it appears that the standard sizes stayed all the same, and it appears that it still comes with the same nut driver and same ratchet and adapter and stuff. And this Milwaukee set does not start at 4, it starts at 5, but it does go all the way up to 15. So as far as the metric, they both have the same amount, but one starts at 4 and goes to 14, and one starts at 5 and goes to 15. And the standard appear to be the same between the Tekton and the Milwaukee. And as far as which one I use more, I do prefer this Tekton set. And I really like how the Tekton set, it comes with this nice case. It snaps down really tight. And I have never had any issues with the tools moving around inside. I've carried this different places and everything seems to hold still in here. And I like how it comes with a bit adapter. And then these did not come with it. This is something I added. But it gives you a little cubby here to add some bits there. But I do use that a lot, this nut driver with this bit adapter. It's nice having that cubby there to put those in. Where the Milwaukee, it does not come with a nut driver, and it does not come with the bit adapter. Now, as far as the rest of the stuff, the sockets, they all appear to, all the standard sizes are the same, and the metric is pretty close to the same. And then they both come with the same length extensions. As you can see there, the extensions are identical in length. And they both do come with a one of these wobble adapters. You can see they're pretty close to identical. And as far as the sockets go, the Tektons are round, where the Milwaukees are square on the bottom. And that could come in handy if you were in a tight spot and needed to put a wrench on them. But for me, that always seems to be an issue. If I'm in a tight spot, that flat spot there will get up against things and it'll put you in a bind. Where you can tell a lot of these sockets, I've been in tight spots and they've rubbed against the edge there. So I'm not a fan of that square base on these Milwaukee sockets. And they do all have it, the short and the long sockets. And as far as the part numbers go, I like how the Tektons, you can see the part numbers are engraved really good in the sockets. And the size is also engraved really good. Where the Milwaukees don't have that. They have the size, but they don't give an individual part number. It does say Milwaukee. And I'm not sure why they would not put the part number on there. And I have not broken any of these and had to warranty them yet, but I could see that being a problem in the future. If I go to warranty one of these sockets, they don't have an individual part number on each one. So I'm not sure if I'll have to warranty the whole set. Where I know Tekton, you give them that part number and send them a picture, and they will send you just the part that you need. And as far as this Milwaukee goes, this case, probably won't be able to tell in the video. There's a lot of room. It's a very flimsy case. Right now it's latched. So if you carry it somewhere, when you open it back up, usually the sockets are all scattered around, because it's a very cheap, flimsy case. Where this Tekton case is a very heavy duty case, and I like how this Tekton, the latches snap shut. Where this Milwaukee, you can see it doesn't take a lot of effort to slide the latches shut, and there's nothing that really holds them shut. They don't snap or anything. And I will say, at the time of this video, both these sets are around $90 a piece, so they're both about the same price. But you do get extra pieces with the Tekton set. And the Tekton set, if you get the newer set, it'll go all the way from 4 to 15 millimeters. So it'll actually come with one extra standard socket. And here again is the part number for the new set. It is SKT05303. So that's just my thoughts on these two sets here. I prefer this Tekton set. If you have any questions, just put it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.